In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on TikTok, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. Open the TikTok app. Then after opening the TikTok app, you will see various options here. The home screen button, the friends, the plus icon, the inbox, and the profile icon. What you want to click on here is the profile icon, okay? Then be very careful to follow every step here so you don't get confused along the way. Okay, now click on the three bars at the top or the hamburger sign, these three bars to the top right. Then click on settings and privacy, just like that. Then the next thing you want to click on here is the privacy button. There are various options: account, privacy, security. Then the second option from the top, the privacy option, is what you click on. Okay, now you will see various options: private account, then activity status. Click on activity status, the second option from the top, and toggle it off like this. When you did this, your followers will not be able to see when you are online on TikTok or even when you are offline. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.